Did you know that you can monetize your personal Facebook account? Yes, you can. For just only 1,000 views, you can now earn money. We will start now. Keep watching. Requirements is
At least 1,000 followers.
and 1,000 views on Reel videos.
Set up your setting to professional mode.
Go to your Facebook account and see your profile. Scroll up and click Turn on Professional Mode. Click Turn on. Start exploring.
You can get started earning money on Facebook.
Once uploading done, Facebook will notify you.